Here on the Wix editor, to add sign up and login, you want to go to add apps by clicking right here on this 4 rectangle. Just click on it, which will open up Wix App Market. And then on the search bar, you want to search for members area. And here on Wix members area, you can just click on it. And then on the Wix members area, you want to add this application. And then after it was installed, you want to go to pages and menu right here by clicking on it. And then you will see this sign up and login section. And here at sign up and login, you can add members login on your website by clicking on member sign up form or login form. Just choose one of them. And then here on default form, you want to choose on custom and then click on add to site. Just wait for a bit. And there you go. If you still have any question about Wix, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to fix no sign up and login inside pages and menu on Wix. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.